now I'm going to demonstrate pulling out a single feature, a single pull request from this giant branch with lots of commits. You can go through and you can have a look and find all of the commits that are related to a particular feature, but as it turns out, there is a single commit here that is one logical change. It's adding a favicon to the index.html. You may think that that is too small of a change. It's just changing one line, but there's no such thing as too small of a change if it rises to the level of a logical change. Essentially, before adding this one commit, we didn't have a favicon working properly, and afterwards we do. So that is making a single change that is worth creating a single pull request. And as it's a single line, that should be super quick to get reviewed. So what we would do here, what I would do here, is I would create myself a new branch. I'm going to actually demonstrate doing this with interactive rebase, and then I'm going to demonstrate doing the exact same thing using a cherry pick method. So this one's going to be favicon rebase version, check out after create. So now what we have here is we have two branches, the feature deploy, which is the main feature that we're trying to split up, and we have this new branch, favicon rebase version, but this has all of the commits in it, and we don't want that. We want just the favicon in it. So as I kind of hinted at before, rebase interactively. And now essentially what we want to do is we want to go through each one of these and drop them. D. So we want to drop each one of these apart from adding favicon. And I'm just pushing keyboard down and D to change them all to drop to make it quicker. So once I click rebase, we will see now that we have our favicon rebase version that has just a single commit on it, and that has the change that we wanted to convert into a pull request. So that's how you would do it with rebase interactive, but that's kind of like a top-down approach. How you would do this if you were doing a cherry pick method, so you knew that you only had one commit that you wanted to split into another branch, you might create a new branch down here. Create new branch, and we're going to call this cherry pick favicon pick. And now we have our favicon cherry pick, which is down here, the same as master. And what we would do is we would right click here and we would cherry pick commit. So these two branches have exactly the same change in it. Same commit message, everything is the same. So it didn't matter which way you would have split this out. If you wanted to do the interactive rebase and get used to that, that's fine. If you wanted to do cherry pick, that's fine too.